everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to talk about something very simple but very important. Today's topic is small talk, the short, friendly conversations we have every day. For example, talking about the weather, your weekend, or just saying, "How are you?" These conversations are short, but they help you make friends and sound natural in English. So let's get started. Let's imagine you meet a friend on the street. What do you say first? Easy. You say, "Hi, how are you?" And there are many ways to answer. You can say, "I am good, thanks." "Not bad. And you?" "I'm doing great today." So now let's listen to a short conversation. I'll play both people, Mark and Anna. As Mark, "Hey Anna, long time no see." Anna, "Hi Mark, yeah, it's been a while. How have you been?" As Mark, "Pretty good, thanks. Busy with work, but good." Anna, "Same here, good to see you. Did you notice something?" Anna and Mark didn't share big news. They just said hello and asked simple questions. That's the magic of small talk. It's not about deep conversations, it's about being friendly. Now, one of the most common small talk topics. It's the weather. Especially in countries like the UK, people love talking about the weather there. Here are some useful phrases. "It's so hot today. It looks like it might rain. What lovely weather we are having." So let's hear a short example. Two strangers waiting at a bus stop. "Excuse me, do you know if it's going to rain later?" "I think so, yes. The sky is very cloudy." "Thanks, I should bring an umbrella then." "Good idea." See? Simple, short, and polite.